So for those of us that have a Cybertruck, we can all agree that the stainless steel body panels that comes on the Cybertruck is really difficult to keep clean. It is a fingerprint magnet, and quite frankly, it frustrates all of us. Most people have been wrapping their Cybertrucks, and we have done plenty of videos showing all the different wonderful colors. But today's video is about something different. Trying to keep the Cybertruck true to form. But let's get rid of those fingerprint concerns and let's make cleanup a whole lot easier. The solution is PPF film. And today we've wrapped this Cybertruck using TMaxx Stealth PPF. The stealth finish of the film gives the stainless steel panels a little bit more of a muted, a little bit more of a satin finish, and that is really true to form. If you use clear PPF or gloss PPF, it's actually going to make the stainless steel panels a little bit more shiny. Maybe not the best look. This customer chose TMaxx Stealth PPF, and that's the answer to go ahead and provide not only for easy cleanup, not only change the look, not only take care of fingerprint concerns, but also some of the rust concerns and other issues that we're a little bit worried about with a Cybertruck. This is the answer. True to form, it's a great look, but this customer wanted to go ahead and take it one step further. He wanted to change the wheels, and this is a world's first. These are our 24-inch CT7 wheels, finished in, first time ever, brushed satin. It's not chrome, it's not silver, it's brushed satin, and it's a really nice complement to the Cybertruck. This looks great on any color Cybertruck, but I think it's extra special when the Cybertruck is stainless steel and has PPF on it. It's a little bit brighter, attracts a little bit of attention, but not too much like chrome would. I think it's perfect. Now, when you go with our CT7 wheels, it really opens up the overall visual of the brake caliper area. And as you could see, the front caliper is quite large, and it comes silver to begin with. This customer wanted us to paint it acid green. Porsche acid green is actually the color, and it gives it a nice little pop. And then on the fascia of the caliper, as you could see, we went ahead and we wrote Cybertruck using the Cybertruck font. Now, as we move to the back of the truck, you can see that we also went ahead and painted the rear caliper. This one's a little bit smaller, so there's no space for any type of badging, but at least it does still match in color with what's happening in the front. Window tint is a must, and as you can see, it has been done, and this truck is ready to go home to its customer. Thank you so much for watching, Cybertruck fans. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.